Hi friends, welcome to Vihay Academy. Today I'm going to tell you about the new helicopters which are going to arrive to our country. So now let's see the discussions that happened in Twitter on December 1st. So this message was sent by the Lockheed Martin India. And this is an MH-60 helicopter. So do you know what this MH-60 stands for? It stands for Multi-Mission Helicopter. And so the main important part of this helicopter is the radar here. So do you know which company made it? It's Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company. And the other Sikorsky helicopters used by the Indian Navy is the Sea King.
Let's see the details of MH-60 helicopter.
The crew of this helicopter is 3 and the capacity of this helicopter is 5 passengers. And length of this helicopter is 64 feet. And the height of this helicopter is 17 feet. And the gross weight of this helicopter is 8,055 kgs. And the empty weight of this helicopter is 6,895 kgs. And the max takeoff weight is 10,433 kgs, more than 10 tons. And the max speed of this helicopter is 270 kilometers per hour. And the main rotor diameter is 53 feet. And the main rotor area is 2,262.3 square feet. And the look from the side is, and the look from the front. So the other part of this helicopter is infrared jammer. See, with this circle here.
Now let's see the tail part.
This is another important part of this helicopter in the tail part, which is the flap here at the back.
Now let's see the top view of this helicopter. See how big its wings are?
Do you know which country made it? It's United States of America. And do you know how many did India buy? And 24 MH-60 Romeo helicopters. Do you know for how much is India buying? Under a $2.6 billion. Do you know what type of helicopter is this? This is an anti-submarine warfare helicopter. And this helicopter can hunt submarines. Do you know why does India need this Romeo helicopters? Because an MH-60 will provide defense forces to do both anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare missions, with including vertical replenishment, communications relay, search and rescue. Not only this, it can also deploy mine detection systems and also airborne laser mine detection systems, and can be fitted with machine guns. And it can also abort ships like frigates like INS Godavari, destroyers like INS Mumbai, corvettes like INS Kavarati, light amphibious assault ships like INS Jalashwa, and aircraft carriers like INS Vikramaditya. You know what is the rate of climb? The height reached by an object in a second is called the rate of climb. So do you know what is the rate of the climb for this helicopter? It's 1,650 feet per minute.
Fact file time. Do you know in which position is MH-60 Seahawk helicopter in the world? It is in the first position.
So this is all about our new helicopters to the Indian Navy. So beware enemies. India is getting ready. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button, and don't forget to share it with your friends. See you in my next video.